Have you ever witnessed such a frazzled fellow who put Comet in his tea? Nutmeg in the washer, thought it was detergent, need the world's worst cleaner. Well, that's me. Will I ever learn the secrets of adulting? How to cook and iron, wash and dry? Maybe scrub a pot? Probably not. Probably not. Mother tried to teach me how to be an adult up until I vandalized our house. It was accidental. Tried to fix an outlet. Started up a blaze I couldn't douse. Father tried to teach me how to fill the car up. That adventure ended with a boom. Give me one more shot. Probably not. Probably not. So I googled a bit, and what did I find? An intense 6-month course teaching skills to the blind. The Confidence Academy. The Confidence Academy. If I really commit, I could learn to adult real soon. Oh, wouldn't it be lovely? Living somewhere different. Find a girl you like. Then she's your wife. Graduate from college. Find a job that suits you. Look, no more anxiety and strife. If I take this program, all the world's before me. I can bid my cleaning woes goodbye. I could have a life. Probably not. Probably not. Why not? It's worth a try.